guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you this easy, gorgeous hairstyle. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. My hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my rat tail comb, my eco styling gel, my hair clips, my water bottle, my Diana brush, my braiding hair, and my scrunchies to achieve this look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by sectioning my hair from the center of my head, exactly the way I'm doing, just a straight line going all the way to the back, and just make sure this line is really nice and straight, especially in the front, sis, because you want to make sure you're looking cute out in the streets, period. Okay. All right, guys, so you already see the back is nice and straight or whatever. Once I'm done sectioning, I'm just going to take my scrunchie and secure one section at a time, and then I'm going to start working with the other one first. I'm going to be using my shine and jam for this hairstyle as well. I'm going to take my rat tail comb and section a little section on the corner of my head, exactly the way I'm doing, and then use my shine and jam, making sure the line is really nice and clean and crisp or whatever. I'll take my hair clip and make sure the rest of the hair is out of the way, and then I'm going to take their braiding hair. So I'm just gonna section out a little piece from the braiding hair, as you guys can see, and then I'm going to section that little piece into a smaller piece and a bigger piece. Once I loop them around, I'm going to have a nice traditional braid situation going on, and then I'm going to take my shine and jam, apply to that section, making sure it is really nice and clean and juicy or whatever, and then I'm just going to start braiding down. I'm just gonna do a quick braid going all the way down, exactly the way I'm doing. Very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this, and when I tell you this style right here is easy, you better believe me, sis. I have a whole lot of tutorials on braids, sis. You can actually watch one of them and learn how to do some braids, okay, sis? Your girl loves to spice the hairstyles up or whatever. You know me, I'm the accessorizing queen. Best believe it, we are about to accessorize this hairstyle, period. Once I get to the point where I want the braid to stop, I'm just gonna take a little piece from the braiding hair and tie this into a knot. And because this is a little thicker braid or whatever, I'm just gonna make sure I secure it twice. That way it does not unravel. That way you know your girl is secure out in the streets, okay? Anyway, so I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I want to make sure I have two equal braids, so I'll make sure I do the other braid as well. So I'm going to do the same exact thing, section out the braiding hair, and then I'm going to section that out into two, a bigger piece and a smaller piece, and when I loop them around, it has a really nice traditional braid situation going on. And I'm just gonna start braiding down again on that side, sis. When I tell you this is easy, you better believe me, sis. All these styles right here, these are all easy. When I tell you I want everybody to be able to do their own hair, I want these styles to be back to school, date night, wedding. You can do this on your daughter, you can do this on your mama, you can do this on your cousin. All right, so once I'm done braiding all the way down, I'm just gonna go to where I have the other braid, where I stopped on the other braid, and make sure the length is really nice and equal, and then I'm going to take a little piece from the braiding hair and just tie that into a knot. Okay, so I'm about to tie it twice, that way it does not unravel. That way while I'm walking in the streets, my braids are secure. Okay, I'm going to be using my rubber bands as well for the back. I'm just going to take my hair clip and make sure the rest of the hair is out of the way, okay? And then I'm going to start sectioning one side at a time. So I'm just going to section that little box exactly the way I'm doing. And then I'm going to take my shine and jam, apply to the line just to make sure it is really nice and clean or whatever. And then I'm going to secure the rest of the hair away, taking a little bit more of the shine and jam, applying it to the hair just to make sure it is really nice and juicy and sleek or whatever. It looks really nice. That's the whole point, right? We want to make sure we look like somebody's been working on our hair, okay? And then I'm just going to take my rubber band and secure that little section right there. Not way too tight that I'm about to break my natural hair, sis, or anything like that, okay? I'm going to section that hair into two, give it a little tug. I'm going to take a little bit more of the shine and jam, apply to the remaining of my natural hair, and then twist it all the way down. And then once you twist it all the way down, I'm just going to section the second box. So exactly the way I'm doing, nothing serious, nothing major. You know, I just wanted to make sure I spice this hair all the way up. Okay. So So I'm going to do the same exact thing, section the hair, take my shine and jam, apply it to the section, making sure it is really nice and sleek. Then I'm going to section that piece into two, taking the hair from the first section to the second section and then securing that with a rubber band. Okay, so that's all I'm doing right there. So once I do that, I'm just gonna section the hair into two and then give it a little tug, and then taking a little bit more of the shine and jam, applying it to the remaining of the hair and then twisting it all the way down. All right, so once I'm done with the two boxes in the back, I'm just taking my water bottle, spraying it to the remaining of the hair, and then I'm just gonna take my HAIRSTYLE gel and then sleek that hair down exactly the way I'm doing. You guys already know my hair is thick or whatever, so I'm just gonna go in the center and apply a little bit more of the HAIRSTYLE gel and make sure it is nice and sleek and juicy. And then use my Diana brush to make sure everything is nice and sleek. Okay. And then I'm going to take the hair from the back, mix it together with the hair in the front, and secure that using my scrunchies. That's about it. Very, very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. I'm going to start with the other side. So I'm going to do the same exact thing. Section the first box, take my shine and jam, apply it to the section. While we're still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes, sis! Section the hair into two, give it a little tug, and then take a little bit more of the shine and jam, apply to the remaining of the natural hair, and then twist it all the way down. I am loving this style already before it's even done. Today's shout out goes to each and every one of my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. Oh my gosh, you guys are making your girls' dreams come all the way. What? Yes! So at this point, you already know you guys are the real MVPs. I am nothing without y'all, but thank you so much for taking your time commenting on my videos, subscribing, for watching my videos, for sharing my videos, for all the love that you've been showing on my channel. I really appreciate it. Okay, from the bottom of my heart, you guys are the real MVPs. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Anyway, let's continue this styling. Okay. And then I'm gonna do the same exact thing, taking my water bottle, spraying the hair, and then using my HAIRSTYLE gel, then sleek that hair down exactly the way I'm doing. That's about it. Very easy, very beginner friendly. And then use my Diana brush to make sure everything is nice and sleek. And then I'm going to take the hair from the back, mix it together with the hair in the front, and secure that using my scrunchies. That's about it. Very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. So I'm just gonna take my brush that I got from Amazon. You already know what it is by now. And I'm just gonna make sure my baby hairs are nice and laid using the HAIRSTYLE gel that I was using on the top right there. And then I'm just gonna take my styling strip and make sure everything is nice and laid and situated. I'm just gonna be using about 2-3 styling strips just to make sure everything is nice and laid, and the back too. So I'm just gonna make sure I am tying that to the front as well. Okay, I'm just gonna be using this fancy orange silk scarf. Make sure you support a sister, buy a scarf or two. I'm going to put the link in the description below. That way you guys can have access to these scarves right here. You already know I cannot be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories. So here we are. I'm just gonna get these gold accessories and place them on the braids. So I'm going to go all the way to the bottom where I have the little knot on the braid, and then I'm just gonna place one accessory at a time. So I'm going to stack them up, about 5 accessories on one side, and then the other side is going to be about the same. Okay, once I'm done stacking the accessories, I'm just gonna take my scissors and cut the remaining of the hair that is now braided, and then I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side, sis. So that's all I'm doing right there. No burning, no nothing, no beads, nothing. Okay, we are doing accessories today. So now I'm going to be using this Freetress braid. This is the 3X Soulful Curls. This is in color number 1 and it comes 3 in a pack. I'm about to use 2. So I'm just going to take it out of the pack. So I'm going to be using this tool right here. I'm just going to take my scrunchie and secure that little piece right there. So I'm going to go in the middle and use my scrunchie to secure it. I'm just going to take my styling strip and place it on the top of my head again, just because I do not want to mess up my sleek down, okay? I'm just going to take the little piece of the hair, one piece on each side, right? So I'm going to use the scrunchie and secure it on top of my head, because when I flip it, I want it to cover my natural hair, sis, okay? Once I'm done placing it on my head, I'm just going to take a few pieces and then go around and make this into a nice realistic hairstyle. So I want to make sure it looks like it's growing out of my scalp. It looks like my natural hair. Once I'm done going around, I'm just going to make sure I take a bobby pin and secure that, okay? So that way it's not going anywhere. I'm just going to place the other one on the other side, so I'm going the opposite direction as well. So once I flip it exactly the way I did right there, it is covering my natural hair already. I'm just gonna take the 3 pieces as well, use that to secure the hair on my head. As you guys can see, my natural hair is not showing. It is nice and secure. It is not gonna be going anywhere. Once I'm done going around, I'm just gonna make sure I take a bobby pin and secure that, okay? And you already know I'm gonna start separating the hair. That way I have some big hair, don't care, realistic kind of curls, okay? It looks like Miss Tupo1 had a braid out kind of situation, or a twist out, or whatever you want to call it. And baby, when I tell you this hairstyle came all the way through, yes, sis, I am living for this hairstyle, these curls right here, this 3X curls, honey. And the back is giving luxury. It is giving, yes, it is giving Miss Tupo1 is about to go somewhere important. It is giving Miss Tupo1 is about to take over the world, okay? These pig curls are looking good. I am loving it. You already know, honey. I cannot just give you one style with this curly hair. I'm going to show you if you want to wear it in a bun, you can actually do that, okay? So I'm just going to take a few pieces out, and that way I can use that to make myself look a little more va-va-voom or whatever. So once I do that, I'm just going to take the remaining of the hair and then start going around, making this into a bun, sis. And that's about it. Use my bobby pins to secure it. And then I'm just going to take the little pieces that I have on the side, go around, just make sure they're looking like they are real, okay? Like my hair is pulled out or whatever. Baby, when I tell you this second hairstyle came all the way through as well. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying it. Let me know if you guys think this is a hot style or whatever. Because, baby, at this point, I am feeling myself. I love this style, guys. I am in love with this cute little style. It is easy. 30 minutes, you are out the door. You are going somewhere looking expensive. You already know I cannot just give you one style. I gotta give you another whole option, okay? So if you don't want to do this curly hair kind of situation, you have another style coming, sis. So I'm just gonna take my styling strip and place it on my head again. As you already know, that's for what? Just to make sure my hair does not get messed up. I'm using this expression braiding hair. So it does come with a little rubber band on it. So I'm just gonna take it out and place it on my head. Section the hair into 3 and then braid it all the way down, sis. Once I get to the bottom, I'm just gonna take a little rubber band and secure that. That way it does not unravel. And then I'm going to place the other one on my head again and do the same exact thing. Section the hair into 3 and then braid it all the way down, sis. Okay, that's all I'm doing. Very, very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. All right, so I'm just gonna start going around on the bun, doing now a braided bun. And once I do that, I'm just gonna take my bobby pin and secure it, and then I'm going to go on the top right there as well and secure it. That way my natural hair does not show. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And baby, when I tell you these 2 braided buns came all the way through, yes, sis, I am living for this hairstyle right about now. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are loving it. You already know I gotta add some more accessories to this hairstyle. So I'm just gonna take 2 accessories on each side and place it on the top right there, just to give the style a little more va-va-voom, okay? And baby, When I tell you, it took the style all the way to boom, 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 100. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite style, because you already know I am feeling both of them, okay? I am loving both, but let me know in the comments below which one you are loving and which one you're going to be going with first. You really don't want to have the little braids on the side. I'm gonna show you another way you can rock this, okay? So I'm just gonna take the little braids out and then take my eco styling gel and, you know, slick the hair down all the way together to the buns right there. And baby, it took this style all the way to elegant again, honey. This is so cute. This is lovely. I am loving this look as well. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. Oh my gosh, let's get to 1 million subscribers, because baby, at this point it is up from here. But make sure you're sharing these videos with your cousins, your besties, your mamas, and your aunts, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.